Hello everybody, today we make a ricotta pie. I got all the ingredients in front of me. I got a cold butter, salt, baking powder, flour, sugar. I gotta use orange zest and I use 1 egg. Now for start, we start with the flour and we put right on this bowl. It's the flour. Now we use 1 egg. And I start the mix with a fork a little bit, the egg with the flour. And we got the salt, and the baking powder, and I got the sugar, and the butter. Now the butter, I want to cut a little piece like this, it's more easy to me, the mix. Okay, and we put it right inside, everything together. And we mix now, like this with a fork, it can help me break the butter a little bit. But this, I gotta do everything by hand after. Okay, now we use zest, orange zest. Only the zest, that's it, not the juice. Oh, it smells so good already. The orange is so smell good. Okay, me make sure to take everything out, got this. All right, and now we mix it again, a little bit, the butter and the flour. All right, now I want to put right on the board over here, everything, I want to mix it by hand. And now, mix it really good. Okay, you can see the zest of the orange already smells so good, really, really good. This when I was in Orsara, my mother, she was make this for the Easter time of the holiday. Yesterday, it was Palm Sunday. I hope everybody, it was the Easter Palm. It was, when I was at Orsara, everybody was carrying the palm. We was go all over the street with the palm. We was make like who do the big one. I was do really big. Okay, this is almost done. I want to mix really good everything, you know, the flour, everything, you gotta be nice mix. And the hot zest of the orange too. And look how beautiful looking now, look. It's really, really nice, okay? Now, this I put on the paper over here, okay, it gotta be in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And I got it right over here. I roll on the paper, I got it. And this, you gotta go in the refrigerator for 1 hour. I put it right over there in the refrigerator now. Okay, now we do the fill, with the ricotta, the eggs, everything. I put the eggs already, and I put the zest of the orange. Okay. And I also put already the vanilla. I got over here. And I also use the grappa and sugar. I put it together. But I want to use the machine over here like this. It can scramble really good the eggs. Let's put the ricotta over here. One time I do the eggs, everything. After I want to use the ricotta. Let's put this on. And I want to start Look at that, nice. Mix really good. And smell the orange zest, boy, it's really strong, this orange. It got a nice, beautiful color too. And the crust for the pie, it's in the refrigerator, it's ready. Like this, I prepare this after we do the crust. Okay. Okay, this is ready. I put it right over here. And now it's time the ricotta. This is a fresh ricotta. It's really, really good. Okay, we mix a little bit with a spoon and now like that. Mix with the machine, come out nice and smooth. All right, good. Okay, now we start with the crust. I'll take it out for the refrigerator. And we got it. Okay. We use a little flour and a bottle over here like this, not too much. Yeah, one start like that. Now we gotta make it nice, big, the dough, and the dish I prepared already. Okay, now this is almost ready. Now what I do, I want to put the dough around over here, this, and you roll a little bit like that. And now we put on the top over here. And you gotta fix with your finger a little bit all the way around. The dish I was using butter on a bottle, do not stick. It look really good, but now I use the fork to make a little hole like this. Okay, now it's time for the ricotta. We give a nice mixer again, like that, and we put the ricotta. Okay. Now this all the way around, we cut like this. Good. Okay. Okay, this is the piece I was to take it out all the way around. I said, well, why I gotta throw it away? I want to make a little strip and I want to put on the top. And I want to roll a little bit more, like this. now, with this wheel, we do little strip like that. Look, and we can put right over here like this. If it's too long, we take it out. Okay, now this is done. I put, like I said, a little piece on the top. I always want to throw away. Now you gotta go in the oven on 350 for 40 minutes. It looks really, really beautiful. Okay, I hope you come out with a beautiful. Okay, now it's time to take it out. Let's see what it look like. Oh, it look beautiful. Oh, now we put right over here on this board. And now what you gotta do, you gotta cool off. Ricotta pie, really nice. Okay, now this is a cool off, and I wanna taste. It look beautiful. The decoration, I'm not too good on the decoration. But you see, I told everybody, you don't eat the decoration, you eat the cake over here. Everybody say about the decoration. No, I don't need the decoration. I eat this. This is now the taste. And let's cut it. Oh, it look like it gotta be delicious. And now let me take one piece. It look a beautiful look. Huh? You see? That's the way it gotta be. Now, I wanna test. And look at this. Nice. The ricotta, the orange give a really, really good taste. It's really good. I want everybody to make like I did, and after you let me know. This cake come out really, really good.